Hey, it's Sarah with Papercraft Junkie, and I wanted to show you the August 2024 Junk Journal Junkies membership kit. It is called Vintage Garden Tea Party. It is a blue theme, which I really love. This month I did a manila envelope cover because there's a ton of ephemera in this kit. So I used that. I chose to sew in 2 signatures also. So the kit comes with 30 pages and it is a very large kit. It took me a lot of time to cut it out and put it together. So that was kind of fun to have such a big kit. It comes with 8 pages, and then it also has the cover, so 9, 10, the inside page and the outside page, which I chose to cut in half this time to glue them on the inside there. So the pages are very pretty. I also chose to, in making the double signature, which you can, where's the double signature? Here she is. In making the double signature, I chose to take, 4 of the pages in here and 4 of the pages in the second signature. And then I used cut-off paper, so or runoff paper. This paper is craft paper that I had underneath what I was when I was painting. So it's just craft paper that I cut out. I've got another one, just some stamp off kind of paper and rub from the jelly plates, kind of the runoff paper. And so I just used that to intermingle. I will, of course, update everything and put more stuff in and all that. But I just wanted to show you how it started. It's pretty thick already, and I haven't gotten too much of the ephemera in quite yet. I do have a folio again this month, which is super fun. I've got some belly bands. I've got some pockets. I doubled up these pockets here on this page. You can see, so you can do those individually or you can double them up like this. There's also, in the Junk Journal Junkies membership, there is a video on how to put together this fun little folder. I chose to put, last month we worked on ATC cards, artist trading cards, and so I chose to put some of my artist trading cards in here. I thought that was a perfect little holder for those. Maybe I'll try to make some that go with this aesthetic, if I can get that. And then I just kind of put it in there. Tags, all kinds of tags, more runoff paper, more pockets. It's just really, really pretty too, with the garden and the teapots. I love the colors in this kit, and I absolutely loved last month, the Vintage Circus, and I really love this month as well. I've got a ton of journaling cards in this one, a ton of pockets. I am going to use this kind of as a mixed media. Obviously, I'm going to use this as a mixed media journal for the month of August. So I'll try to do more videos on how I do that. So I haven't quite put all of the ephemera in yet, but I will show you one of the benefits of using the manila folder is that you can shove all of the ephemera. Look at all this. All of the ephemera into that back pocket. Oh, there's more over here. I have tons and tons and tons of little pockets. Literally, this is so many little pockets for shoving things in. You can double up the pockets. That would be cute, huh? These little pockets, just kind of double them up too. I might do that. That's really pretty. Yeah, so many pockets. I've got a little envelope in this one that fits cards. I've got tags, little tags, big tags, stamps, journaling cards, tags. I've got a bunch of tags. I could put a tag, that would be cute, put a little tag on some of the journaling cards and put them in the pockets. I just quite haven't decided what I want to do with all of this, because I do want to incorporate it into the mixed media that I'm going to do this month. So I've got more pockets, big coin pocket. This month also has the mini junk journal that goes along with it. More pockets. All of these are journaling cards. All of them are journaling cards. So I might do mixed media on the back of these. I might journal on these and say what's going on, or why I decided to do what I did that day, and a couple of little circles. So much ephemera in this kit. I'm so excited to share it with you, and hopefully you love it as much as I do, and I can't wait to see what you do with it. All right, have a great day.